Graphing Translations, Lesson 6.1. The standard is 8G1 and 8G3. The objective is to graph translations on the coordinate plane. The essential question is how can we best show or describe the change in position of a figure. Now let's go over some vocabulary. To translate means to slide. The pre-image is the first image you begin with. The image is the final image you end up with. The vertices are the points of the shape. To translate, you move an image, shape, or point left, right, up, or down. So if you move to the right, your x value is added to the number and your y value stays the same. If you move to the left, you take your x value and you subtract it by the number and your y value stays the same. If you move up, your x value stays the same, you take your y value and you add it to the number. If you move down, your x value stays the same, you take your y value and you subtract it by the number. Example number 1. Plot the points of the pre-image of triangle ABC. Then translate it 4 units left and 3 units up. Write the coordinates of the new image. So first I'm going to start off by plotting my points. So I'm going to go to 4, -3. So to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 3, 1, 2, 3. That'll be point A. And then 0, 2, start at the origin, go up 2, 1, 2. That'll be point B. Then 5, 1. To the right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1. And that'll be point C. I'm going to connect my dots. And that gives me triangle ABC. Now they told me to go 4 units left and 3 units up. So I'm going to do that from each point. So I'll start off with B. So 4 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 3, 1, 2, 3. So this will be B prime. And the prime means it's the new version of that letter. So now I'm going to go to C. 4 to the left and 3 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That'll be C prime. Now A, 4 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 3, 1, 2, 3. And that'll be my A prime. I'm going to connect my dots. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill this in. Because this is my final image. So now I'm going to list my coordinates. I'm going to use the information they gave me. They told me 4 units left and 3 units up. So I'm going to take my x coordinate. Since I'm moving to the left, I'm going to subtract 4. I'm going to take my y coordinate. Since I'm moving up, I'm going to add 3. So we'll start with A prime. So I'm going to take 4, I subtract 4, that gives me 0. I subtract 3, I add 3, that gives me 0. For B prime, I have 0, I subtract 4, that gives me -4. I have 2, I add 3, that gives me 5. Now for C prime, I have 5, I subtract 4, that gives me 1. I have 1, I add 3, that gives me 4. So those are my new coordinates. So these triangles are congruent because they were translated. Example number 2. Quadrilateral ABCD has vertices A at point 0, 0, B at point 2, 0, C at point 3, 4, and D at point 0, 4. Find the vertices of quadrilateral A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime after a translation of 4 units to the right and 2 units down. Since I'm moving 4 units to the right, that means I'm going to add to my x value. And since I'm moving 2 units down, I'm going to subtract from my y value. So I'm going to go through my x values and I'm going to add 4. And I'm going to go to my y values and I'm going to subtract 2. Okay, so for a prime, I have 0. I'm going to add 4. That will give me 4. I have 0. I subtract 2. That will give me negative 2. Now b prime. I have 2. I add 4. That gives me 6. I have 0. I subtract 2. That gives me negative 2. Now c prime. I have 3, I add 4, that gives me 7. I have 4, I subtract 2, that gives me positive 2. And then for d prime, I have 0, I add 4, that gives me 4. I have 4, I subtract 2, that gives me positive 2. Example number 3. The baseball was filmed using stop motion animation, so it appears to be thrown in the air. Use translation notation to describe the translation from point A to point B. So I'm going to start with point A, and I'm going to move to the right 1, 2. So I'm going to add 2. So I'm taking my x value, and I'm adding 2. Now I'm going to move to my y value, and I'm going to move up. So I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to add 5. So I'm going to take my y value, and I'm going to add 5. And that is translation notation. Example number 4. Use translation notation to describe the translation from point B to point C. So we're going to start with our x value. So from point B, I'm going to move to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. Since I'm moving to the right, I'm going to add 4. So I'm going to take my x value, and I'm going to add 4. Now for my y value, I am going to be moving down. So I'm going to move 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to move down, so that means I'm going to subtract 3 since I'm moving down. So I'm going to take my y value and subtract 3.